Hello guys, good evening. My name is Jamil and I am from Darbhanga. And beside Darbhanga there is a village, Rampur. And it is deadly affected by flood. Everything is everything has just finished, washed away. And hardly people saved their life and they are surviving on the highway beside the village. And I am one of the young men of that village and I want to arrange some food for them. But my capacity is not to feed all of them. So guys, I am come here to take some help from you. And I have come here, I have came to speak well Darbhanga and in front of me there are some students sitting. And guys, all of you, from all of you, I want just some help. As there are so many person, old ladies, old man, children, they are eating only one day food and they are not eating with satisfaction, they are only eating for surviving. And if you are not going to help all the people of my village, they will die hunger. So I really need your help. Please help me.
So, from
Whatever you can do me some grains, you can help me buy some clothes, you can give me some monies.
so from where you are?
I am from Rampur and this is the village near Darbhanga.
But there is no flood in Rampur.
You sir, you are living in Darbhanga town. You are living in town, but that is village and it is deadly affected by flood.
No, my granny home is there, and I have not got any information regarding flood.
Actually, there are so many villages with same name. You may have some misconception.
Oh, you may talked about that Ranipur, near Ranipur village. Okay. So yeah,
No,
that is
no, that is not that village.
Tell us one thing, Jamil.
Yeah.
It is how many kilometers from here? From
37 kilometer.
37 kilometers.
Yeah.
So you have traveled 37 kilometers and you have come to take some help of it.
I
Now,
came here by bicycle.
Let it be bicycle.
Yeah.
But didn't you get any other place nearby to get some help?
Actually, you can see I am a student. I am a young man.
Yeah.
And if I will go in front of the people,
No, I'm not
shopkeeper,
people.
other people, they are not going to believe on
You
me.
did not
But
get any other classes nearby your area.
yeah, I visited so many places, and from there I also got some help. But I need more help.
And why
That's
you
why I
alone?
came here.
You must have you must have come with some other guys, but you are alone. It's weird.
There are some guys in my team. I'm not alone here, but they are collecting some help from other places. If everyone will come here, they can't arrange a lot of money. That's why I'm here alone.
What do you say, my friend? Should we help them?
Yeah, I think.
So at present,
If you will help me in their bad condition, God will definitely help you.
because
Yes,
So I want to ask one question.
we
Is
should
there
have-
any
Yes, sure,
connection- Is there any connection between your village Rampur to Sole village Rampur?
Why you are making fun of a poor man? Don't make fun.
Okay, say me one thing. Actually, we all are student here, and we get only 5 rupees, 10 rupees per day, pocket money. So how we can help you?
Don't lie.
In such amount.
Small kids, they ate a chocolate of 5 rupees and you are young. How can you say that?
Yeah, but-
I got from my parents only 5 rupees as a pocket money.
Actually,
It's not true.
my parent gives me everything which I have need. Like you can say notebook, food, and everything which I need. But they only give me 10 rupees per day as a pocket money.
But I have spent my few years in town and I know the capacity and how much pocket money they got. That's why I came here.
So you
You
think
must have some rupees.
just I have 12 rupees in my pocket.
You have.
Yeah. So 10 rupees I got from my parent and 2 rupees of yesterday which I.
Bro, if you will give me 1 rupees, I will kindly accept this 1 rupees. Okay.
Yeah, then
there is a value of every single rupees. So don't say like that.
Then-
10 rupees is
Then
not
I
enough.
can give you all 12 rupees of mine.
Friends,
Yeah.
I think
And I
Thank
want
you.
to know one thing.
Thank
I
you.
want to know
he
one
really
thing.
needs help.
That government is also providing help.
Government is providing help,
Yeah.
but all the monies goes to the leader's account.
No, you can't say that.
There is no help coming to to my village. That's why it is my compulsion to come here. I compelled to come here. There is no any person who has visited my village.
Abhay, I think he's not telling a lie, because if we talk about government facilities, it is about to come, but it hasn't come yet.
And you know,
Yeah.
I know that Nitish government has announced that they will give 6,000 rupees each everyone who has affected from the flood. But what would happen? Right now they need some food. The 6,000 rupees will come after some times.
Yeah.
So for the time being, they need some food, some help.
So
that's why I came
so
here.
you will get very less amount from this. We all.
It's okay. You know, bro, each drops makes a pond. If you will give me some rupees, and I will go to visit some other places. Then after, you know, each drops makes a pond, right?
Yeah.
So I will collect from everyone, everywhere.
My friend,
So-
you are such a kind person.
Thank
But
you
the
so much.
problem is, right now we are at the class, so we can give you some money. But
Yeah.
if we talk about clothes and foods, for that you need to come tomorrow again.
If you can give me some,
can you come tomorrow again?
it is very hard to come here. You know, I told you na, my village is 37 kilometer from here, and if I have came here by cycling 3 hours, you can imagine. It is very hard to come here.
Think practically, my friend. We are in the class. We can give you some aid regarding money, but we also want to give you some aid of food and clothes. So for that, you need to come tomorrow again.
Definitely I will come.
Okay. So if you agree, then please take some money right now, and please come tomorrow. Do come tomorrow. We will definitely help you with other aids.
Yeah, sir. Why you are silent?
Guys, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
I am getting a smell
I can
from
see
his
that.
mouth.
You are getting a smell of rat.
Yeah, of gutka, and you can say beer and all that. So I think it's thought.
If you don't
So
want
what
to,
will do
Why
after
are you
money?
giving your good car?
Yeah,
Bro.
you are chewing gutka,
Bro.
and also there is smell of tari and all that.
bro, if you don't want to help me, it's okay. But don't make fun of me.
No, we
I
are
can-
not
you
making
can-
fun.
you can
I
see
know the
it.
smell. I know the smell. I can feel it.
It make,
Because you are speaking that, then I am getting the smell of, you can say, whiskey. So
this is, I don't deserve. You know, my drinking whiskey is not cup of my tea. Okay, you can see there is a handsome person is sitting. He may have drunk wine.
But I never drunk. And you,
So sir, could you help me?
so
He
obviously
contributed
I will
10,000.
help you.
Actually, he is getting late. He has to go.
Yeah.
So if you want to give some money, please collect some money and give him.
Sir,
Listen to me, listen to me.
we will
You want
pay
money? You want money?
Yeah, of course.
I have no money, but I am a player of Free Fire, and my ID is very worthy. It is about 3,000.
Then what I will do with that ID?
You can take my ID and sell it. You can gain money like 5,000 money.
Yes.
I can sell it,
Yeah.
but I don't know how to sell the ID. I'm a
You
villager
can-
person. I don't have a smartphone. I don't have
You
any
have a smartphone.
ideas.
You are telling lies.
This is a box. This is a box
No,
of
no,
lunch.
this is a
in this box,
smartphone.
there is a pyaz and bread
listen.
for my lunch.
Listen
Show
to
me,
us.
show me, show me. Show me your box.
Next year.
Listen, dude. What is the
Show me.
population of your village?
You could not believe on me.
Please show me first.
How much do you want to give?
I want to give only 100 because
Please give. 100.
Yeah, 100.
50.
Yes.
50.
Sir, I have 12 rupees.
10 rupees.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay,
500
it's
from
okay. It's okay.
500.
1 lakh.
Sir.
Thank you so much, bro.
Do not make fun of someone.
Yeah,
He is so serious.
really.
And he urgently need money. You are providing 1 lakh rupees. This is what? Check.
of whole like.
What I will do with that check?
And you are here.
I think your chair is not going to be in cast.
Yeah.
Please keep it with you. How much do you want to give?
200.
200.
Thank you.
I have not got money today.
You?
Okay, it's okay.
200 and you?
So I will provide food because I have a
100.
gram of rice. So first I want to know what is the population of your village.
So the total money is 2000.
1500.
Okay? Excuse me.
1500.
Yeah.
So I will announce.
Population.
So I am announcing that I will give rice and pulse all persons.
Okay, for food he will come tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Definitely, I will come to
Yes,
you.
yes,
What is
yes.
your name, sir?
My name is Vikas.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Yeah.
So right now we are giving you 2000 rupees.
Yeah.
Would you accept this, please?
Yes, sir. With great respect, I would like to accept your money.
Okay.
And I will never forget your help, all of your help. And I will pray to God.
Please look after them.
Yeah, God will bless you. Right.
Here you
And
go.
you will go ahead in your future. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me.
And
Thank you so much, sir.
everything will be okay.
Okay.